Welcome to Touring Globe. Capture the most breathtaking moments of Greece while diving deep into its legendary history. Greece, where myth meets the blue horizon. The Call of Greece. Drone shot of the Aegean Sea. Gentle waves shimmer like liquid sapphire. Santorini's whitewashed houses glow under morning light. Soft Greek instrumental music begins, a blend of lyre, bouzouki, and ocean wind. Calm, poetic tone. In the cradle of Western civilization, where gods once walked among mortals, and heroes carved their names into eternity, there lies a land woven from myth and marble. A land where time stands still, and yet never stops speaking. This is Greece. A tapestry of history and horizon. A dream of temple columns, endless sea, and stories older than memory. 1. Athens, city of gods and philosophers. Camera rises from bustling modern streets to the ancient Acropolis at sunrise. Athens, the beating heart of Greece. The birthplace of democracy, of philosophy, of ideas that shaped the modern world. Above the city stands the Parthenon, a whisper of perfection in stone. Once covered in color, dedicated not to kings, but to a goddess, Athena, bearer of wisdom. Every pillar, every carved figure carries the weight of centuries. You can almost hear Socrates in the Agora, you can almost see Plato teaching beneath the olive trees. In the streets of Plaka, history breathes beside cafes and market stalls. The scent of grilled souvlaki mixes with ancient dust. Life goes on, but the past never leaves. Athens is not a ruin. It is a living poem. 2. Santorini, sculpted by fire, painted by light. Cut to volcanic cliffs. Blue domes. Lovers watching sunset at Oia. Born from fire, shaped by eruption, Santorini is beauty carved by chaos. Thousands of years ago, the island exploded, a moment so violent, it may have inspired the legend of Atlantis. Today, white houses cling to red cliffs like snow frozen in time. Blue domes mirror the sky. And when the sun falls into the sea, the world holds its breath. Here, even silence has color. Here, every sunset feels like a ceremony. Some say Santorini is the most romantic place on earth. Others say it is a miracle, proof that beauty can rise from destruction. Both may be true. 3. Mykonos, wind, marble, and endless night. Windmills turning in the breeze. People dancing under moonlight. Mykonos, where Cycladic purity meets unstoppable energy. A labyrinth of white alleys built to confuse pirates long ago, now filled with art galleries, seafood taverns, and music that never sleeps. The windmills watch from the hilltops, sentinels of stone, facing the Aegean winds. Daylight brings turquoise waters and golden sand. But night turns Mykonos into a celebration of freedom. Here, nobody asks who you are. Only if you're alive, truly alive. In Mykonos, the sunrise doesn't end the night. It begins the next one. 4. Crete, the land of legends and warriors. Mountains towering above deep gorges. The palace of Knossos rising from the earth. Crete, wild, ancient, sovereign. The birthplace of Zeus, king of gods. The kingdom of Minos, where a monstrous minotaur lurked deep underground. At Knossos, the world's oldest throne still sits in silence. Once painted walls told stories of goddesses, bulls, and rituals older than written language. But Crete is more than myth. It is mountain villages where elders play cards under vine leaves. It is beaches where the water glows like turquoise fire. It is olive trees older than empires, and a spirit that never bows. Drink Reiki with a Cretan, and you will feel it. A fierce pride, warm as sunlit stone. A strength born from both sea and mountain. 5. Meteora, monasteries hanging in the sky. Through enormous rock pillars. A monastery silhouette against clouds. Meteora, a place that defies reason. Towering stone pillars rise like the fingers of the earth, and on their peaks sit monasteries, floating between heaven and soil. For centuries, monks climbed these cliffs by rope and basket, seeking silence, prayer, and the presence of something divine. Even today, the air feels sacred. Step inside, and the world outside disappears. Only candlelight, ancient frescoes, and whispers of devotion remain. Meteora teaches us one truth. Faith can build where logic says nothing is possible. 6. Delphi, where destiny was spoken. Early morning fog over ancient ruins. There was a time when all roads led here, to Delphi, the center of the world. Kings and generals climbed these steps, begging for answers, and the oracle spoke, in riddles, in visions, in truths too heavy for mortal minds. Even now, Delphi feels alive. The stones vibrate with memory. Apollo's temple is a skeleton of marble and silence, but the spirit remains. Stand here long enough, and you will hear it, an echo of destiny. 7. Greek food, the flavor of sun and sea. Olive oil pouring, grilled octopus, honey dripping from baklava. You cannot understand Greece until you taste it. Olive oil, golden like morning light. Fresh bread, still warm. Seafood caught an hour ago, grilled with salt and simplicity. Feta sprinkled with oregano. Greek yogurt dressed in honey and walnuts. A glass of ouzo that turns white when touched by water, a little alchemy in every sip. Greek cuisine is not just food. It is philosophy, simple ingredients, honest flavors, eternal hospitality. Here, meals are not eaten. They are shared. 8. Hidden Greece, beyond the postcards. Shots of Zagori stone villages, Naxos beaches, Rhodes old town walls. Beyond Santorini and Mykonos lies another Greece, quieter, older, untouched. Stone villages in Epirus, connected by arched bridges that echo the past. The island of Naxos, where marble temples sleep on green hills. Rhodes, where knights once walked and medieval walls still guard the harbor. Only waves and wind and the heartbeat of ancient land. 9. Myth and memory, Greece's unbroken soul. Everywhere in Greece, the past walks beside you. You feel it beneath your feet on marble steps worn by centuries. You see it in constellations named by ancient storytellers. You taste it in recipes passed down from mother to daughter for 100 generations. Greece is not just a place to visit. It is a civilization to feel. Sunset over the Aegean Sea. Waves. A final golden horizon. And as the sun sinks beneath the blue horizon, you begin to understand. In Greece, history is not forgotten. Myth is not fiction. Beauty is not simply seen, it is felt in the soul. This is Greece. Timeless. Boundless. Eternal. A land of gods, sea, and memory. Waiting for you to walk its story. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.